Love can be strong when two people protect it together. And even the strongest bond can crack when an outsider enters the story. It starts with a comment, a rumor, a lie whispered with confidence, and you won't even doubt it because you thought they care. And suddenly the relationship shifts. You start to doubt. Trust starts to shake. And the heart that once felt safe begins to question everything. This episode is called Fractured Bonds. Relationship dies quickly when outsiders poison what you are trying to build. A relationship is delicate. Two hearts, two fears, two strangers trying to know each other and become one. Then an outsider enters. They come with a rumor, a voice note, a screenshot, a story twisted just enough to seed doubt, and suddenly you question everything. You replay conversation. You reread messages. You start wondering, did they lie? Are they hiding something? Who should I trust? Not because your partner broke you, but because someone wanted to. People think advice is harmless, but some opinions carry poison and we don't see them. Imagine your friend telling you they don't like how she talks. Be careful. She looks like she's cheating. Someone told me something about her. Your partner hears things too. I deserve better. I am too good for him. He's not loyal. Slowly, you both start fighting battles created by other people's bitterness. And the saddest part, most relationship ends from interference because you listen to the opinion of people who don't know your truth outside your home, and these people won't stay to see the consequences of their words. You will be left alone to deal with it. You start pulling away. You stop communicating. You compare your partner to the rumors. You sleep next to them, but feels miles apart. The love is still there, but fear speaks louder. And the fear is the greatest enemy of intimacy. Because once doubt enters your heart, everything starts to feel suspicious. Even things that were once normal become signs. That's how outsiders' opinion destroy love. 5 effective strategies to save a failing relationship. 1. Close the gate. Not everyone deserves access to your relationship. Some doors must stay shut, and don't think twice about it. 2. Name the wound. Sit down with your partner. Say exactly what hurt you. The lie, the rumor, the betrayal, the interference. If you don't, the silence will keep the wound open. So speak to each other about it. 3. Listen to each other's truth. Not other people's vision. Not assumption. Not gossip. Each other's truth. Just the two of you. 4. Establish boundaries. No more allowing toxic friends into sacred spaces. No more letting outsiders define the meaning of your love. Say it and mean it. 5. Decide if the relationship is worth fighting for. Not because of pressure, not because of fear, but because the love is real. Avoid doing this. Don't discuss intimate issues with people who enjoy drama. Don't let outsiders influence decisions that won't live with. Don't allow ex-partners, friends, or jealous people to dictate your emotions. Don't ignore your partner's feelings because someone else said something. Instead, protect your partner spiritually and emotionally. Build trust like a fortress. Be transparent. Be loyal privately and publicly. Stand together, not against each other. A relationship guarded with unity is hard for outsiders to break. A fractured bond doesn't have to be a broken bond. With honesty, with unity, with boundaries, with patience, with commitment, love can rise again, and both of you will be fine. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.